In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you find a guest order if it's missing from Adidas order history. Let's get started. First, remember that guest orders don't appear in your Adidas account because you didn't log in while placing the order. So best place to start is your email box. Search for your Adidas order confirmation email, which will include your order number, items, and a tracking link. Once you find it, copy the order number and go to Adidas website. Then search for Adidas track order. Open the official website. Now here, enter your order number along with the same email you used during checkout. After that, click track order and you'll be able to see the status of your order, whether it's processing, shipped, or delivered. If you cannot find a confirmation email, the next step is to contact Adidas customer support through their help section on the website and fill out a form with your details like name, email, order date, and payment method so they can locate your guest order. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.